everyone, it is Tuesday morning, which feels like Monday. Today, as you can tell, I still haven't had a wash or had a shower. My hair is still a bit of a rat's nest. It is nearly 10 o'clock and I'm done with editing yesterday's vlog already, so I'm doing pretty good for time. First things first, I need to take all these cushion covers off and I need to wash all of them. For people that do not know and have not watched my previous vlogs, my friends from England are coming on Friday and I am so excited. I haven't seen my friends from Manchester in like 6 months. Me and Dave just cannot wait. There is 4 of them coming, so 2 couples. So I want to get the house all nice and clean and tidy this week. If you can tell, I'm very nasally. I have somehow last night when I was just chilling started getting really blocked nose, and today I've woke up and I'm a little bit congested. So for God's sake, I hope it is not a cold and it is just hay fever, because I know hay fever is just rife in this area of Germany. So hopefully it's just that. I don't feel like ill, it's just I feel congested. Well, I think you can tell that I've been sat out in the sun because I'm all red and my face is so red, and I was just out there for like 25 minutes. That just proves how crazy this weather is. I just go over here to make a drink and then I looked up onto here, onto the butter dish, and seen this. And then I tried to lift this up and check that out. Oh my God. That proves how hot it was yesterday. My butter has actually melted. Kardashian time! Yay! I'm gonna say it. It's too hot. My new best friend. Shopping, and thank God we took umbrellas with us, because this is what is happening right now. Oh my God, it's like torrential rain and hailstone. Oh my God. And oh my God, this weather is crazy. And Dave, being so practical, he said this would be the perfect time to clean the terrace. So he's so good.